And we're back. So today we're going to work on a Kia EV, the EV6, I believe it is. EV6. So this car is an actual electric vehicle. It's really nice. If you look at all the electronics in it, it's really cool. It's got the touchscreen panel, AM/FM radio, touchscreen with CarPlay. All the electronic controls are here. And what we're going to do in here, it's got the actual Meridian sound system. So it says Meridian right there. So what we're going to do is put a powered sub that the customer brought us. So I'll give you my review of, let's see here. And I've already taken apart the car a little bit. We're outside the bay a little bit. And we're going to take apart this Kia EV6. And we're going to add a Rockville subwoofer, powered sub to it, and this is the packing. It comes with hardware. As you can see, it comes with a bass knob. It has a power wire with a, looks like a 16 maybe 12 gauge wire. I did take an opportunity to read the actual manual, and it says it takes a 8 gauge wire on the actual harness, which if you look at it both, that looks more like a 10 gauge, but hey, it is what it is. So what we're going to do is we're going to power this thing up, wire it into the system, and see what this thing sounds like. So like I said, I took the car apart so far. I took and the batteries in the front of this car, so we got to run a bass knob up front, run the power from front to back, and then we actually got to run everything back here, and we're going to tap into the factory sub back here for the signal. That's how we're going to pull all this apart. And I'm not sure if we're putting the sub underneath the panel yet or on top of the panel, but you'll see once we're done. I won't film the wiring of it because this is really a cut and dry, because everything's in the back as far as the setup goes, and we're going to get everything and grab it and run it. But let's see what it sounds like. So for those who want to get the Rockville sub, we'll tell you if it's good, bad, or indifferent. It might be awesome. Never know. Stay tuned. So we got the, I don't know if you can see me in here, it's pretty dark. Hang on. So now we got the amp installed with the sub, and this car is pretty cool when it comes down to it. Like I said, it's got an Apple CarPlay in it, but this Rockville SS8P woofer, I'll play it for you and you tell me what you think. I think in a normal system that doesn't have, it's not amplified, like this car actually had a factory 10 Meridian system in it, which did sound pretty good, and this doesn't sound horrible. But if it had a system that didn't have an amp in here, and this was just powering a sub and you're just adding it to a system, it'd be a better choice of setup, if you ask me. And so we put the bass knob right there, as you can see, and right now I got it maxed, but we're gonna play some stuff on here. We wind up putting in the rear deck, replacing the factory woofer, and here we'll play it real quick.
I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. Oh, I can't let them take my soul. Nah, 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 no. See, we was cool right before it hit the fence, but hit the fan when I got him down at the bench. I took a break, I had to leave and go get cleansed. God forgive me for all my sins. I can't say these hoes, cause my last name ain't Kent. Cooking on the stove, that's the way you pay the rent. Working on the pole, that's the way
it's not bad. It actually has good bottom end, full volume.
I learned my right from wrong on the song. I let my heart bleed on my sleeve through microphones. I'm trying to right my wrongs by writing out my wrongs.
Air just turned on with the sunroof open, so it's not bad. I mean, if you listen to it overall, but let's take a look and see what we did. It did have the actual power sub is metal, and it's powered. And so what we did was, I don't know if this guy's going to keep it in here, so we wound up just foaming the floor because it was going to rattle and do all kind of weird stuff. So with the cover on it, it shouldn't be too bad. Here's the cover, goes on top of here like this, snaps in place, and then that covers it up. So if you ask me, it's not a bad deal for the customer. It's just a question of whether you want that in your system. Like I said, it's not horrible, but it's not great. Peace.